we go there. We take a wandering there to cross of Bandida. And the Bandir Kabai Kapuma. Nger Honorable Michael Mukundu, I take a low Narin Gabandit. And the court you recover me a bit. Right Bishop Ruben Akuri Mama Kurike, Bishop Kadir, Colonel Abonaban, Audio Kersanoi, which I came more, which I came lay in the ring, whom Kudam religion. And which I believe I keep it. Abijam will get yak, could you train a legend, Yaring the Panyal, Chekolo the Juir, Langwa, Vijal the Warada, Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit, Pide, in a Kalangwa near Kon, and Future Pinoi, Kulochiloi. Kujal Chenjal Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit by a Wunda Koigam, Pahana Junubu Sudan. Yen a Chimu Red Young Tobai, Ten Fan Bor Kupana Junub, Yenaka Chenyai, Ukaka Kojagam, Adagam Nien. Kuyena kananga bishopka, kuyena nanga bonka. Kato in the Episcopal Church of South Sudan, who kato in other denomination. Anyway, they've been a Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit. Pair warada, yena kimja la kinto. Atoken a wogatan, wavietana. Kimjal, wede, Kuloide. Kiloi, Kutiude, Atokan Wogatan. Kedaro, Ale Milke, Nalua Chickaloi, Cake, I quite pure. Cooking your mother cake, I mean, Gadugam. I mean, I took on the water, the Bishop Nathaniel Garang. I do want to let you be. Cake, I keep the coaching now. I do game. So, what I can make, one more core. Nearly can away. Get a dear. Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit. It's a little like a wound of Koyagam. Wamuyen Eluiganawa Daniel Dau Yen and make a high decondi to it on the Echo Panbor. That is Obori. Kunajo Uncle Chanko Kai Deconero Kaga quite hitching Katokan Yen. A dice is Obori. Kujalka John Bupak. Daniel Dau, war General Pindom, Ajakguong Bishop, the Anglican Church of South Sudan, Yen H. Down and the Pen. Goodbye. So down and the Pen, and the Lord Chickaloi, and the Warada Bishop Nathaniel Garang, Kega Jilu, Kukega Chira, and Chickabay. So Adam then, I hear and pure. Kuwato na nye dele, kuwewazia weto na nye dele. Kwa yuko, nyale eto pameal, kuketo kapinda maten. Aguti keke musulumi. Whereby Chalo nyala jetu agujira na job kulam keden beloy ka enel nyale so wodia wo mulga nyale wodia ndarin ga bayni and a family member the pan warada Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit wo mil kan digamu ko jo pioy ko bayani so yela chale jere kena marada marasa tonga jangali ke Archdiocese of Bor ukanisa the Episcopal Church of South Sudan achiga mo pep hay ko di na gamet ukachi jar le mana so ke ga chi belo ben wo ga baga no der abu go belo join lista tichita da ben kuno men kanom ne nyende ke wo de wo na nyende ne neringa bandi agura jiten to weta ke me ngana pani abu to gara na ben beto kana we ko tie da Bishop Nathaniel Garang Anyieth Jangdit to kana wo wadia and bring Chabagalawe and His Grace Archbishop Dr. Richards Deng Dau and Archbishop the Anglican Church of South Sudan. So what the we can even talk. We Episcopal, we Anglican. Nari ngani alej. Shukran.